Hey guys, in this video we are going to take a look at the eLiteROM A6 port, which is a treble port for our Galaxy J7 2016 with Android 9.0 Pie with OneUI version 1.0 and the latest A6 firmware. So let's start with the review. So we're starting with the lock screen. As you can see, the new wallpapers from OneUI and the home screen. Also into settings, in the about phone you can see the new info here. So the info is like all from A6. And going into software info, we have the 1 year version 1.0, Android version 9, and December security badge because the latest A6 firmware has been used. Also, kernel is Helios Pi Treble, as this is a treble port. Also, it needs to be flashed properly, the ROM. So please watch the instructions down below in the description. I'm not just gonna waste time like just showing through. Also, guys, if you have used eLiteROM, it is best for the stockishness and also the smoothness of the stock. Like if you are facing really lags on stock, as this one is called as the optimized stock ROM because it has a lot of optimizations. You can see all of the apps debloated. You only get the normal apps and you can install others from the Play Store, of course. Also the minimum basic requirement apps are there, so yeah, that's great. Also we have game launcher and it does not affect that much, but just some like tuning on notifications and screen recording and that stuff will be good. Then into the settings, you can see the OneUI layout. It's really good and it's 1.0. So yeah, you may face some software side bugs, some like really like really low type of bugs. And blue light filter, and it should work normal. And yeah, blue light filter is working. And night mode, the best thing in OneUI, I feel like. As you can see, after just uh, getting into night mode, the clarity is also good. Also it's good for our eyes, of course, if you have a AMOLED display. So yeah. And also this quick settings, you can see it is turned black and it looks really good with the night mode on. Now let's take a look at the camera app, and you can see the camera app. Also the functions which are supported are fully working fine. Night mode, panorama pro, as you can see it's so smooth just moving through around. Also super slow motion is not supported, so this is what happens. So just double press the home key and it will just bring it back. So just don't go over the super slow motion mode. And if you want to just go towards this mode, hyperlapse, food mode works, hyperlapse maybe, I don't know. Super slow, as you can see this happens. So just don't go over the super slow mode. You can try out other modes and the basic modes are working fine. So yeah, camera stops after super slow mode has been activated. So guys, that's it. Not much of a review of this kind, but yeah, eLiteROMs are known for their best battery and the best performance, as they have a lot of optimization. Also debloating, you can see only normal apps are there. So yeah, please give this one a try because all of the eLiteROMs were hit and people were so crazy about, because they love stock, like they love your OneUI, but the additions that Samsung is adding to it is being hated. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you guys have liked this video, press the like button. Also show some love on the extra thread of this ROM. And yeah, J7 2016 is not dead. Android Q ROMs will be coming soon. Like Q ROMs, I mean from the GSI. Yes, the new GSS will be coming soon. After the developers will be working, like they have a personal life too, so they have to take breaks in between. And yep, that's it. Bye bye. So please like, dislike, whatever you want, and please also subscribe. Bye bye.